Hey guys, thought I'd post a quick video and let you know what's going on lately. I've been busy with work, but getting some free time now, so time to work on some of those projects in the garage, and that's where I'm at. So here it is. I got a plan to clean this thing up, make her nice again, paint the tunnel. I'm gonna strip the whole tunnel and paint it like a black with a orange metallic. I'll show you guys how to do that, what's involved. So it's kind of a restore a little bit. I'm gonna put all these A-arms on. I'm gonna have to pull the motor possibly to change these A-arms, which seems over the top, but I believe you can't get that bolt off unless you do it. So I'll see how that goes. I'll try to do a little bit of videos on it just to show you what's involved with taking those A-arms off. I have another set of A-arms which are up over there. You can see I've got them sort of powder coated. It's a process called dipping, and I can't remember the name. It's too early in the morning. I did have a mishap with one of my heat, what do you call it, my exchangers for coolant. It was leaking, so I had to go get that welded up. Here's kind of an idea of what I was doing. I was taking, so this is the one side, and this is the other side, which has pretty much, it's all, I've taken it off. It's obviously right there on the table. It takes a billion, turn the light on, a whole bunch of rivets. That's all it is. One clamp at the very end. And then you gotta take this bracket off, which I've already done on this side. And then it's a hose clamp, little rubber. Where's that rubber thing? Well, it's here somewhere. I'll find it eventually. Yeah. Anyways, I put that somewhere. But all that is, oh, it's right here. So that goes there. So anyways, that's what's going to happen for this guy. Strip it down. Paint the tunnel. Make it kind of look half decent again. And change the A-arms on the front to those other style. Put it all back together. Get it running. And good as new again. Do a lot of cleaning. I'm hoping I can turn it from what it's looking now to something that's looking pretty sharp again. Still a sharp sled. I really like this sled. It's done a ton of miles for me, and it's really given me like, it's just too good a sled to really turn up and try to go to a new Alpha 1 Arctic Cat or whatever. I do like the Alpha. That's that brand new Arctic Cat for 2019. It's a real nice sled for sure, and I know it would outperform this guy, but for what I've done to this thing and what it owes me is pretty much nothing. So I'm just going to keep driving it until whatever. It's 12 years old. What is it, 2006? It's 2018 now. We're looking at a 12-year-old sled, and it still goes just as good as the rest of them. My 144 and 2.5 paddle definitely helps out. So quick, that's the resto on this, which is a newer one. And I picked up some fun projects. Here they are. Boom. 1971 292 Lynx with the broken windshield. That's the Lynx. And a 1970 340 Panther. These were both barn finds. Got a real good deal on them. And the plan is to fix them up, restore them, and then decide which one I'll keep and which one probably will find a new home. So yeah, that's them. And I'll do, hopefully I'll get some good videos out on that too. So, alright guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.